Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna Tungo. If it's your first time here, you are most welcome. So guys, I'll be using this 2-pack of spring twist, and you can get the same hair at any local beauty store, and the hair is by Darling. Okay, so each packet has got 6 bundles of this hair, and each bundle has got 5 pieces. So 2-pack have 60 pieces of this crochet hair. Okay, so here I am just unraveling the hair, after which I'll just take one of the piece out of these 5 pieces. I'll take one, and right about now I'm just fluffing the hair out. Okay, and as I fluff it out, I'm also stretching the hair so that it can give me easier time when it comes to twisting the hair. So yeah. So guys, as you watch this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. So be sure to subscribe to stick around for this and many more hair videos. Okay, so this is how far I have twisted the hair. So I'm going to explain to you exactly what I did. Okay, so right about now I'm just applying Shana Jam gel on the roots of my natural hair. Okay, and then after which I'll just take one of the strand. Okay, just to let you know, I didn't divide this strand. Okay, so I'm going to twist it as it is, but you can just divide it into 2 if you're going for some smaller twist. Okay, but with me I didn't divide the strand, so I'm going to braid about 6 times. Okay, so I'm just doing the normal box braid. Okay, and then after which I'll just transition into twisting. So guys, at this point, how you start your twist really matters. Okay, because it will determine if you'll get your twist to appear springy or you'll have something else. Okay, so you want to twist opposite to how you normally twist your braid extension. So with this type of hair, you don't twist the same way you twist like your braiding hair. So you want to twist opposite from how you normally twist your braid extension. So I'm going to explain to you in case maybe you don't get it, because at first I didn't really got the concept, but I can say with watching so many tutorials I managed to get the hang of it. So I'm going to explain to you what I mean. Okay, and hopefully I hope you're going to learn something or 2 at least. Okay, so I'm going to twist all the way to the very end, and of course just stick around because I'm going to explain to you exactly how I achieve this type of twist. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just applying some Shana Jam gel on the roots of my natural hair. Okay, and then after which I'll just go ahead and take my extension. So at this point, my natural hair will act as one of the strands. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing the normal box braid. Okay, as my natural hair acting one of the strands. Okay, and then after which now I'm going to transition into twisting. So you want to start twisting backwards. Okay, so I know I don't know if I'm making sense, but that is how I start my twist. Okay, you don't start with like the rope twist or anything like that. So you want to start your twist on the opposite direction, like anti-clockwise, if I may say so. Okay, and you'll just feel, okay, if you're doing the wrong thing, of course you just see, because your twists aren't going to appear this springy as it is looking like. So when you start your twist, you want to start twisting backwards. Okay, if that makes sense. So hope you guys are able to like get what I'm saying. But what I can say with this type of hair, just to be honest with you all, it needs a lot of practice and patience. Okay, because like I said earlier, it took me several tutorials to kind of get exactly what was needed to be done with this hair, like to make it appear this spiral or springy and all that. So you need a lot of practice and patience, especially if you're just beginning or if you're just starting out to learn how to do this type of hair. So that is what I can say. But at the moment you get the hang of it, then girl, you're just good to go. Okay, so always keep this in mind. When you start twisting this hair, always start anti-clockwise, okay? I think this is the best explanation that I can give it to you all. Okay, you have to start anti-clockwise, okay? Don't start the twist the same way you normally start with your braid extension, because you are not going to get anything close to this spring twist, honey, okay? So you want to start anti-clockwise. You want to start opposite from how you'll normally start twisting with your braid extension. I think this is the best explanation I've given so far. So in the meantime, I'll just leave this video to play and just let you all watch and just learn, and hopefully you're going to get something out of this video. And if you will, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? So I'll allow you all to watch and learn. And guys, before I forget, I did section my hair into 52 small boxes, okay? I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like this type of hairstyle looks very nice and beautiful when you do it into small sections as opposed to, you know, going for a jumbo or big twist. So that is why I decided to divide my hair, something that I've never done before, okay? So I did section my hair into 52 small boxes, and like I said in the beginning of the video, 2 packs of this hair has got 60 strands of this hair. So 2 packs is just more than enough if you're going for this type of hairstyle, okay?
I can taste something bitter in the sweetness. There's an aching in my lungs 'cause I'm not breathing. I break myself to pieces, test my patience, craving just a little validation. When will I start feeling like I'm good enough for you? Only happy if you're happy for me. Dying every second you ignore me. Now all my self-worth depends on you. When did I become so desperate? When did I become so insecure? I hate myself so you can love me more. When did I become so desperate? Break the mirror on my bedroom door. How much longer can I do this for? Do this for? Scared that nothing that I say is gonna convince me. Need to hear it come from you, or I don't sleep. I spend my free time wishing I was different. New identities and new beginnings. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. When did I become so desperate? When did I become so insecure? I hate myself so you can love me more. When did I become so desperate? Break the mirror on my bedroom door. How much longer can I do this for? Do this for? When did I become so? I become so insecure. I hate myself so you can love me more. When did I become so?
And guys, if you have short hair like mine, okay, when you start by braiding, make sure you grip the roots of your natural hair very tight. Okay, not too tight that is going to hurt your scalp. Okay, just tight enough, because you don't want this hair to loosen up. Because one thing I've also noticed with this hair is that once you don't get a good grip of it, okay, right from the roots, then it will just come out. Okay, especially if you have short hair. So if you're working with short hair, one thing that I have to tell you is that make sure you grip the root of your natural hair very, very well. Okay, because again, you don't want to work twice. Okay, so guys, you're almost coming to the end of today's video, and I'll just ask you all to subscribe. Okay, if you have watched this video till here and you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section down below. And yeah. Okay, now that I'm done, I'll just go ahead and take my mousse, and I'm going to set my hair by applying it onto the twist, just like you can see in the video. And guys, this is how I got to install this twist. Hope you guys have found this video helpful, and this is the final look. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment in the comment section down below. So I will see you in my next video. Bye for now, and take care.